Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my GK class, and yes, today we are going to study page number 71 from your GK book, Sources of Energy. Can you name the source of energy that is being used in each of these pictures? You all can see now one picture, two pictures, three, four, five, many pictures are there, and you have to identify the energy used there. You can choose words from the help of box below. So yes, this is a car. Do you know which energy is used here to move the car? We use CNG. All right. Is the full form of CNG, compressed natural gas. And here, yes, it's very easy. So can you identify the source of energy? Yes, sun. It's a solar energy, and we get energy from the sun. The third one is, can you identify the energy? Yes, it's electricity. And the fourth one is wind. Here, the energy it gets from fuel that is known as jet fuel. All right. Renewable sources of energy and those that are renewed naturally. For example, see, whom do we call naturally a natural energy which we can renew? All right. The sources of energy which we can renew is known as natural renewable energy or renewable sources, for example solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. The next is non-renewable sources which you cannot which you cannot use again. All right, we have this energy very limited. All right, earth and get exhausted once they have been used. For example, fossil fuels like oil, natural gas, and coal. All right, so this one is, you have to, it's water now. So we get energy, it's a dam, and we get energy from the water here. And this one we get energy from wood and coal. All right, yes, I'm moving to the next slide. You have to answer some question. Who is the author of the Adventures of Sherlock Holmes? Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle is the author of the book The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. The next one is, who lives in the White House in Washington DC? We all know now who lived there. President of United States lives there. What is the full form of UN? United Nations. U for United, N for Nations. In the question number 4 is, in which film series would you find the characters Luke Skywalker, R2D2, and Chewbacca? So the name of the movie is Star Wars. Question number 5. Which renewable sources of energy produces solar energy? So it's a sun. All right, we had already discussed in previous chapter that solar energy, where do we get? We get from sun. What is book of map called? It we called it Atlas. Moving to the next slide. Question number 7. Which musical instrument was Pandit Ravi Shankar an expert at playing? So the correct option is sitar. Pandit Ravi Shankar is expert in playing sitar. A forgetful Pacific regal blue tank fish, Dory tries to reunite with her family. Which film are we talking about? It's Finding Dory. Alright. How many faces does a sphere have? Zero faces? No faces? The question number 10. Which actor played Bajrangi in the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan? It's Salman Khan. Question number 11. In which city are the Wimbledon games held? So the correct option is London. Which Indian freedom fighter created the slogan Dilli Chalo? It's Subhash Chandra Bose. The next one is chapter number, it's a page number, let me tell you. Page number 76. All right, art gallery. Here you have to read about some famous paintings of some famous painters. All right, what are feroces? Okay, so you have what? So it's a frescoes means, it means it's a painting that is based on water based painting. All right, so yes, we will so I am starting from here. This self portrait which you can see here, this self-portrait was painted by the famous Dutch painter, that is Vincent van Gogh. And he is the painter from which country? And he is a Dutch painter. All right. The painting shows the great artist with a bandage on his ear. All right. Van Gogh's paintings become popular only after his death. All right. When he was alive, he was not. He wasn't very popular. But as soon as he wasn't in this world, he became more popular. The next one is, you can see this picture, and this picture is painted by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting shows a scene from the Last Supper Jesus Christ had with his disciples. Supper means here meal, a kind of meal. Alright, moving to the next one. The ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City has beautiful frescoes. Again, we had discussed now, it's a water-based painting painted by the famous Indian painter and sculptor Michelangelo. Alright, Michelangelo, he had to lie on his back to paint the ceiling of the chapel. And yes, the next one is Guernica is a painting that is done by Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso is a well-known artist of the 20th century. The painting shows the sufferings caused by the war. Whenever war had taken place, humans were suffered by those wars, and yes, they had discussed which sufferings human faced whenever any war happened. When a town called Guernica in Spain was bombed. The next one you all can see here, this is the painting of Mona Lisa, and it was done by the famous painter Leonardo da Vinci. One of the most well known is the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. It shows a woman with a mysterious expression and a smile. This painting won the artist great fame. Yes, this one is Maqbool Fida Hussain. Maqbool Fida Hussain was one of the most famous Indian artists of the 20th century, right? He was the most famous artist. He was also known as the Picasso of India. The painting of M.K. Gandhi and Mother Teresa are some of his famous work. Here M.K. Gandhi means Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and the painting of Mother Teresa. Alright. The Night Watch is a painting by Rembrandt, a Dutch painter. Again we are talking about Dutch painter, right? We had already discussed now the Vincent van Gogh. He was also a Dutch painter, same as Rembrandt is also a Dutch painter. It shows a group of soldiers led by a captain and his lieutenant. All right, now you have to answer. A drawing scratched on a wall is called sketch, graffiti, or doodling. That is known as graffiti. So the correct option is graffiti. Question number 2 is, which of these artists is not a painter? The first one is Amrita Shergill, the second one is Satish Gujral, and the third one is Uday Shankar. So Uday Shankar is not an artist. Yes, Amrita Shergill, she is an painter. Yes, Satish Gujral, he is also an painter, but Uday Shankar isn't a painter. The question number 3 is, where are the caves painting found in India? It's very easy. It's in Ajanta. Alright. So the correct option is A. A mural is a wall painting, painting on paper, painting on cloth. So it's a wall painting. What is mural? We had discussed now for frescoes. What is frescoes? I had already told you now. It's a kind of water based painting, and that is also a mural painting, means that is painted on wall. Is it clear? Thank you so much for watching. Revise and learn it.